Intro. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into an essential topic for data scientists, ML engineers, and DevOps practitioners alike: implementing continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipelines for machine learning models. As machine learning continues to grow in importance and application, the need for efficient deployment and monitoring practices has never been greater. We'll be exploring how to automate these processes to ensure that our models not only perform well in development but also thrive in production environments. So, whether you are just starting with machine learning or looking to enhance your deployment strategies, this video is for you. Understanding CI/CD in machine learning. Let's kick things off by discussing what CI/CD really means. CI, or continuous integration, is a development practice where developers frequently integrate their code changes into a shared repository, often several times a day. This practice helps catch bugs early, facilitates better collaboration, and simplifies the process of integrating new features. Continuous deployment, on the other hand, is the practice of automatically deploying every code change that passes the automated tests to production. Together, CI/CD aims to accelerate software development while improving the quality of the software being delivered. When we talk about CI/CD in the context of machine learning, we are not just integrating and deploying code. We are dealing with complex workflows that involve data, models, and often various environments. The need to automate testing, deployment, and monitoring of ML models becomes paramount to ensure that our solutions are robust, scalable, and maintainable. The importance of CI/CD for machine learning models. You might wonder, why is CI/CD so crucial for machine learning? Well, machine learning models are not static, they evolve. Models need retraining as new data becomes available, and they may also require adjustments in response to changes in the environment. CI/CD pipelines help automate this process, making it easier to manage model updates and ensure that the latest and most effective model is always in production. Moreover, with CI/CD in place, we can ensure that each model version is tested against a set of defined criteria, such as accuracy, precision, and recall, before being deployed. This not only minimizes the risk of introducing bugs but also helps in maintaining the performance of the model over time. A high-level overview of a CI/CD pipeline for ML? Now that we understand the importance of CI/CD for machine learning, let's outline the general stages of a CI/CD pipeline tailored for ML. 1. Version control *. The first step in our pipeline is to manage and version the code and data. This involves using tools like Git for code and data versioning systems like DVC, data version control, to track changes to datasets. 2. Automated testing *. Next, we implement automated tests to validate both the code and the model's performance. This can include unit tests for data processing functions, integration tests for the model's interfaces, and performance tests to evaluate the model against predefined metrics. 3. Continuous training *. Once the tests pass, we proceed to retrain the model using the latest data. This step often involves data pre-processing, feature engineering, and model selection. For model evaluation *. After retraining, it's crucial to evaluate the model using a validation dataset. Here, we compare the new model's performance against the existing one, checking for improvements or regressions. 5. Deployment *. If the new model passes the evaluation stage, we can automate its deployment to the production environment. This could involve containerization using Docker, Kubernetes orchestration, and integration with cloud services. 6. Monitoring *. Lastly, once the model is live, monitoring its performance becomes essential. This includes tracking metrics in real time and setting up alerts for any anomalies or performance dips. Tools and technologies for implementing CI/CD. Now, let's talk about some of the popular tools and technologies that can help us implement CI/CD pipelines for machine learning. 1. Version control systems *. Git is a standard tool for versioning code, while DVC can help manage datasets and model versions. 2. CI/CD platforms *. Platforms like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, and GitLab CI provide robust frameworks for automating the CI/CD process. They allow us to configure workflows that trigger on code commits or pull requests. 3. Containerization and orchestration *. Docker is widely used for containerizing applications, while Kubernetes helps in managing these containers in a scalable manner. For ML platforms, tools like MLflow and Kubeflow are specifically designed to manage ML workflows, from experimentation to deployment. They offer features for tracking experiments, packaging code, and serving models. 5. Monitoring tools. Prometheus and Grafana can be utilized for monitoring metrics in production. These tools enable us to visualize model performance and set up alerts for any issues. Building a CI/CD pipeline, a step-by-step guide. Let's dive deeper into the process of building an effective CI/CD pipeline for your machine learning models. 1. Set up version control. Begin by establishing a Git repository for your codebase. Ensure that you have a clear directory structure to separate your source code, data, and model artifacts. Integrate DVC to version your datasets and track changes effectively. 2. Create automated tests. Write unit tests for your data processing scripts and validation tests for your model's performance. Use frameworks like PyTest for Python to automate these tests and ensure that they run with every code commit. 3. Establish continuous training. Create a script that automates the retraining process. This script should include steps for acquiring new data, pre-processing it, feature engineering, and training the model. Schedule this script to run periodically or trigger it to run after specific code changes. 4. Model evaluation framework. Implement an evaluation framework that assesses model performance after retraining. This framework should compare the new model against a baseline and use metrics that are relevant to your specific use case, such as accuracy, F1 score, or ROSAUC. 5. Automate deployment. Use Docker to containerize your application and model. Write a Docker file that includes all dependencies and configurations needed to run your model. Use a CI/CD platform to automate the deployment process, ensuring that the deployment occurs only after successful tests and evaluations. 6. Monitoring and logging. Set up a monitoring system using Prometheus and Grafana. Ensure that you are tracking key performance indicators of your model in production, such as latency, accuracy, and data drift. Implement logging mechanisms to capture predictions and data inputs for future analysis. Real-world examples and use cases. To solidify our understanding, let's look at a couple of real-world examples of companies successfully implementing CI/CD pipelines for machine learning. One notable instance is Airbnb. They have adopted a CI/CD approach for their ML models to streamline their recommendation system. By automating the deployment of their models, they can ensure that their users receive the best possible suggestions based on the most current data. This has not only improved user experience but has also allowed their data science team to focus more on innovation rather than manual deployments. Another great example is Uber, which has built a sophisticated ML platform known as Michelangelo. This platform facilitates the entire ML lifecycle, from data ingestion to model serving and monitoring. Uber's approach emphasizes automation and reproducibility, enabling them to deploy thousands of models seamlessly across their services. Challenges and best practices. While implementing CI/CD for ML is beneficial, it's not without its challenges. One major challenge is data management. Ensuring data quality and consistency as models evolve can be tricky. To mitigate this, invest in robust data validation mechanisms and keep your data pipelines well documented. Another challenge is model performance monitoring. Over time, models may experience performance degradation due to changes in input data distributions, a phenomenon known as data drift. Establish a baseline for your model's performance and monitor it actively. Retrain your models proactively to maintain accuracy. Finally, consider adopting a culture of collaboration and communication within your team. Ensure that data scientists and DevOps engineers work closely together throughout the pipeline. This collaboration can bridge knowledge gaps and lead to more effective and efficient ML deployments. Conclusion. As we wrap up, it's clear that implementing CI/CD pipelines for machine learning models is not just a trend, it's a necessity in today's fast-paced tech landscape. By automating deployment and monitoring, we can significantly enhance the reliability, scalability, and performance of our models in production. Whether you're looking to establish a CI/CD framework from scratch or optimize an existing one, remember that the key steps involve effective version control, automated testing, continuous training, deployment, and monitoring. With the right tools and practices in place, you can ensure that your machine learning journeys are not just successful but also sustainable. Thank you for joining us in today's discussion. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on machine learning, AI, and software engineering practices. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with CI/CD in machine learning. Until next time, happy coding and deploying.